Dear students, now we are going to do some questions from exercise 7.4 integrals, and today we will do some integrals of some particular functions. We have 6 formulas here for some particular functions. Number 1 is integration of dx by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log mod of x minus a by x plus a plus c, and second one is integration of dx by it was x square minus a square, but it is a square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a. If it is a square minus x square, log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Now number 3, integration of dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Number 4 is these 3 things including square root, integration of dx by root over x square minus a square. It was without root, but it is including root. This equal to log of x mod of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. Number 5, integration of dx by root over a square minus x square equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. We will put c in all the integrals. Number 6 is dx by root over x square plus a square equal to log of it is modulus x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. So these are the standard formulas. So let's do one example, and there this among all these formulas one formula will be applied here. So example 8 number 1 is one example, integration of this dx by x square minus 16. We have to do integral of this. So how to do this? First of all, what we see here, dx by x square minus 16, there is no square root here, but which formula is applied here? X square minus 16, it is x square, that means it may be because minus and this 16 to be converted in the shape of a square, like dx by it is x square, 16 is written as 4 square. So number 1 formula is applying here, this formula dx by integration of x square minus a square equal to that formula 1 by 2a log of x minus a x by x plus a plus c. This formula will be applied here. So this equal to, and compare here x square minus a square, that means here x is equal to, in the place of x we can get x, and what is a equal to 4, a equal to 4. So formula is 1 by 2 into a. What is a is 4 log of x minus a, x is x minus a is 4 by x plus a is also 4 plus c. So it is answer. So इसमें के गर्नु पर्यो, फर्स्टमा यो पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन इंटीग्रेशन याद छ भने यो सजिलो हामीले गर्न सक्छ, very easy this. So we will do some questions from the exercise and solve this. Next line other, this is equal to 1 2 4 8 log of x minus 4 by x plus 4 this plus c. So it is required answer. Now question number 1 from the exercise 7.4, integrate the functions. Number 1 is 3x square by x to the power 6 plus 1. So what we write here, let integral equal to 3x square by x to the power 6 plus 1 this dx. Yes, to पार लेख्नु पर्यो. We have to integrate this. अब यहाँ हेर्नु पर्छ. We see these formulas. Always try to get in the form of square, x square minus a square minus x square plus a square. So we should try to convert here. We can write like this, x to the power 6 is written x cube square, because we need this square. So it may be written as x cube square plus 1 square of 1 is 1. So it is dx. but here this term must be x like this. So it is it is x square plus a square. That means this formula is applying here, x square plus a square. Now put, अब इसमें के गर्नु पर्यो, यो पनि 3x square हामीले हटाउनु पर्यो, because formula of this is dx by x square plus a square. So we put this x, put x cube equal to t, then differentiating with respect to x, it becomes 3x square and this dt by dx, and we find here dx is equal to dt by 3x square. Then integral I equal to 3x square by x cube is t, x cube is putting t square plus 1 into dx is, we have dt by 3x square, so 3x square cancel. Now we have I equal to integration of dt by t square plus 1. So this formula is dx by, so right here, because formula is dx by x square plus a square, यो shape को चाहिए, so formula becomes 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This formula applying here. Now I is equal to this dt by t square plus 1. Formula is 1 by a, and compare here what is x and what is a. If we compare here, what is x? In the place of x it is t, x equal to t. And what is a? A is 1. In the place of x it is t, in the place of a 1. So we write here 1 by a, 1 by a is 1, tan inverse x by a, x is t by t, x by a, x is t, a is 1 plus c. Now 1 by 1 is 1, no need to write, a tan inverse by t by 1 means t. What is t? T was x cube plus c. So it is required answer. The formula is भने, if we know these formulas we can do easily this. So one answer we have got here. We will do number second. Now number second is integrate this function 1 by root over 1 plus 4x square. So let's solve this. We write here, let I equal to integration of 1 by root over 1 plus 4x square dx. Among this formula 1 will be applied here. A square root, here 3 ta hundaina, here square root, it is not x square minus a square, it is not a square minus a square, it is x square plus a square. So also we can write this 1 by root over 4x square plus 1. यस्तो डाइरेक्ट पनि गर्दा हुन्छ, अदरवाइज यो टक्कै यता x स्क्वायर हुन्छ, यता a स्क्वायर, this dx. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, रूट ओभर 4x स्क्वायरलाई हामी के लेख्न सक्छ, 2x को होल स्क्वायर प्लस this one dx. Now we put this 2x because we need to form this x square, but here it is 2x. So if we put 2x is equal to t, differentiating with respect to x, इसको differentiate गर्नु पर्यो. So it is 2 into x को differential 1, t को हुन्छ dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by 2, dt by 2. Now I equal to root over 1 by this 2x is put as t square plus 1 लाई पनि 1 को स्क्वायर लेख्न सक्छ, into dx is equal to dt by 2. This 2 is constant taken out here, 1 by 2 यता लेख दियो, integration of 1 by root over t square plus 1 square, this, otherwise we can write this dt. So this formula will apply here, because integration of dx by root over x square plus a square equal to log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. Then I equal to this 1 by 2 log of and compare here x is equal to t and a is equal to 1. कंपेयर करता करी t को प्लेस में x is t, a is 1. So formula is log of x. What is x? X is t plus root over x square. What is x? T square plus a is 1 square. This plus c. Now y equal to 1 by 2 log. What is t? T is 2x. t हम ले सपोज कर से 2x is equal to t को प्लस में 2x आ लियो प्लस t square. t, what is t? 2x. 2x square plus 1 square 1 plus c. Then our integral is 1 by 2 log of mod of 2x plus 2x को square हमसे 4x square plus 1 plus c. So it is required solution of question number 2. Now number 3, integrate this function 1 upon root over 2x minus x square plus 1. So we write here let I equal to integration of 1 by root over 2 minus x whole square plus 1, this dx. So this also form of anyone, this formula we get this root over x square plus a square, same formula just we have done. So first what we write here, it has to make x square. So we put here 2 minus x is equal to t. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So it is 2 is 0, x differential 1 is equal to dt by dx. This minus 1 is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by minus 1. Therefore we can write I equal to 1 by this 2 minus x root over 2 minus x को प्लेस में क्या आना पड़ता t, 2 minus x put as t square plus 1 into dx. dx को प्लेस में क्या पायो dt by minus 1. So this minus sign can be taken out. This बाहर लिख दिया minus 1 like this minus 1 and here dt by root over t square plus 1. So what is our formula? dt by root over x square plus a square. So right here formula is dx by x square plus a square root over equal to log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. And here in the place of x is equal to a, x is equal to t, compare करो t, x is t, a is 1, a is 1. You can also 1 is make as like this square. Now I equal to minus 1, we write minus 1 known to write dt by this formula is log of mod of x. What is x? X is t plus root over again x. X is x is also t square plus a is 1 square plus c. So I equal to minus log of t What is t? T is this 2 minus x. T is 2 minus x plus root over t. t फेरि 2, t को प्लेस में 2 माइनस x को स्क्वायर 1 स्क्वायर 1 प्लस c. सो y इक्वल टू माइनस लॉग ऑफ यो भयो 2 माइनस x को होल स्क्वायर a स्क्वायर माइनस 2a प्लस b स्क्वायर तो a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab 2 to 4x प्लस b स्क्वायर मीन्स x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 दिस प्लस c. Now y equal to minus log 2 minus x plus this becomes x square minus 4x. We can write like this, x square positive हो minus 4x I plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus c. So it is answer. If we apply logarithm rule, so what we can write this, यो minus जुन छ तल आउँछ नेगेटिभ in the form of log like this 1 by this log, but both answers right. ये 2 minus x भयो plus root over x square minus 4x plus 5 this plus c. So it is required answer. So our answer is, actually we write log here negative the log of if 1 by 2 minus x plus root over x square minus 4 plus 5 plus c. So it is answer due to logarithm rule. Now number 4 is 1 by root over 9 minus 25x square. So let y equal to 1 by root over 9 minus 25x square. We write dx. So this becomes, now we can write, we should try to make which formula applied here. This root over here x and it is a square minus x square. It can be written as 1 by root over, it is square of 3 and 25x square कसको हुन्छ 5x को square. See here 9 written as 3 square 25x square 5x square 5x square 25x square. So it is a square minus x square, this formula, but it is 5x. So what we do here, put अभी 5x लाई हटाउनको लागि let 5x is equal to t सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नु पर्यो. डिफरेन्शिएटिङ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टु x, त 5 into x को डिफरेन्शियल 1, t को हुन्छ dt by dx, dx is equal to के हुन्छ dt by 5 भन्छ 5. Therefore I equal to 1 by root over 3 square minus 5x is equal to t square into dx को प्लेस में हाल देनु पर्छ dt by 5. Now this 5 constant term out कर दियो, 1 by 5 dt बन जा, this 1 by 5 written here dt by root over 3x square minus t square. So getting which, this number 5th formula, dx by a square minus x square. So our formula is dx by root over integration of a square minus x square equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. So compare here, what is x here? In the place of x is t, but a is 3. So we can write integral equal to 1 by 5 sine inverse x by a plus c. What is x? X is t a is 3, t by a 3 plus c. Now I equal to 1 by 5 sin inverse. What is t? T is 5x. This t is supposed at 5x. तो 5x by 3, t को प्लेस में डाल दियो 5x, t already it is as it is, plus c. So it is answer of question number 4. So with the help of these solutions you can try other questions.